Hi, this is Jake from Optimus Futures, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to set up and configure the price ladder, otherwise known as a DOM or depth of market, on the QST quick screen trading futures trading platform. So to start off, I would like to mention that upfront and foremost, the easiest place to open up a price ladder or a DOM is on this toolbar on the far left-hand side of the window. Simply just left click the frame button or the price ladder frame, and as you can see, it will open up in its own window here. Now, if you like, you can also go through the add a new frame button that is right here where I'm currently hovering over. Simply just click this drop down, scroll down, and we should see price ladder. Now, you may have noticed in the add a new frame portion, there is actually the option for a depth of market. This does show depth of market. Obviously, it's a bit more intricate than the price ladder, but you'll notice we aren't actually enabled for this feature on our version here. This does require an additional cost or a different subscription package to use the depth of market, the full depth of market. So just keep that in mind, but the price ladder will just do. Let me open it up and I'll show you what it looks like. So we have it here in the far top left-hand corner here where my mouse is currently hovering over. This is where you pick your symbol. As you can see, you can actually combine multiple future symbols. You can use the symbol directory here, which as you can see, and if you're not already familiar with it, you can either search for your symbol. You can scroll through the available list of all, or you can filter based off the different categories here or exchanges. So as you can see, if we want, let's say, for example, to trade corn, we can just click on agricultural, find our corn contract, press OK, and then it will be enabled on our price ladder. If you'd like, you can also just manually type it in here if you know what it is. So let's say, for example, I wanted to trade the E-mini S&P 500. Being that I know the symbol root, I just type in ES, and as you can see, it does even give you some hints, and it starts to populate with fields on the track you're going. So if you type in E, obviously the first one is going to be E-mini S&P. It's the most popular. So again, you can type out the whole thing if you know it. If you like, you can just type ES, and as you can see, it'll bring up this drop down menu here with all the different available trading months. So we can open up the September contract there by double clicking it, and as you can see, this is our DOM. Now, before I do move on, I would just like to mention that you can open up this price ladder or your DOM in any available workspace on this platform. If you're not really familiar with workspaces and how they function, please check out our video for that, and we have one for frames as well. Again, a frame is just pretty much any widget or any feature of this platform that gets put into its own window like this. This is considered a frame. Now, as far as functionality goes, as you can see up the top here, we have buttons to flatten out orders. We can reverse orders as well. And then you have your standard buy market, sell market, buy limit, sell limit orders. These are represented in blue and red. And then as you can see also, we do have a cancel just specifically buys, once again highlighted in blue, and then ability to cancel sells, which is highlighted in red. If you want to cancel all your orders, you can just click this button in between, and it's represented by that green font. Now, as far as the actual DOM, any orders you will see will be either to the left or to the right of our bid or ask columns when you do place them in here. Let's just click a market order. And then we are in paper trading, of course. This is not a live order. And so as you can see, it is now reflected in our profits and losses. It's highlighted in green, so we can see exactly where that order is at. And you can see where it is at based off of how much P&L you're moving. So you can see these as a market moves, and as you either make or lose money, you'll see your profits and losses column either move up or down depending on the market and how that moves as well. So again, this is always going to be fluctuating, but you can see any changes here. You do get a little mini chart, which is nice, just to show you a little how the price graph is actually moving. And that's pretty much it. The DOM is very straightforward. As you can see, if you do scroll away from the market price, you can either scroll down manually or just click that yellow arrow there and it will bring you down. But the DOM is pretty self-explanatory on this platform, pretty straightforward. Again, If you like, you can go through this order ticket route. It's also possible to set up one-click trading. So we'll go into that in a future video. And that's just about it. So again, if you do have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below or head over to our community forum. You're welcome to ask them there. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're looking for more QST content. Other than that, thanks for watching, and we hope you found this helpful.